I'm Jeff Arbin. I work at RUTV. What we do at RUTV is we basically are the broadcast section of Rutgers. We have all the network channels. We have 9 local channels, 2 movie channels, 1 HD, 1 standard definition, and we have information channels, and we have local broadcasting. And right now we basically have our standard shows that we do every semester. They don't change. And then the PSAs and the promos. We have some special events that we do every year too, like Dance Marathon. And we broadcast the commencement. RUTV just keeps on moving. We're always changing, just like anything else. It's a living, breathing organization. We have now we have to change with the times and what people are looking for. And then at that point, we look for the programming that would partake of that. We're always looking for doing new things.
I'm Dave Wurtson, Associate Director of Digital Classroom Services. Digital Classroom Services supports the classroom technology in the general purpose classrooms on New Brunswick. So as far as video services go, I guess we're kind of on both ends. Traditionally we've been about how to project and present video in the classroom, which is a big part of what we do. And of course now, an ever-evolving area is how do we actually record what's going on in the classroom so it can stream out. Our big project that we're in the midst of is a multi-year project to create what we call the Digital Classroom Podium. So it's a standard podium that we're going to put in all of our classrooms that's state-of-the-art, so instructors can teach in one room and go to another room and not have to relearn how to use the equipment. They're pretty unique in that at the center of the podium is a Mac Mini instead of a control processor. We use software that we designed in our department and with Rutgers staff to control everything in the room. Like turning on projectors, controlling lights, playing videos. So we're deploying that everywhere and continuing to develop it based on the feedback we get from faculty. And kind of the next step that we're starting to work into is now that we have this podium there, how can we use that to do video-related services like video conference, lecture capture.
My name is Tom Minafor. We work for Enterprise Application Services, and this is Ron Cody. We work together, and we provide support for iTunesU. We're here to explain how iTunesU could be used for podcasting, for support for e-learning, and the process of getting your assets encoded into a format that's appropriate for iTunesU. And how it can also help support lecture capture.
We've been moving over all the old legacy Rutgers assets from the old Rutgers iTunes platform to the new public platform, integrating that with the UMD&J platform to make it all just do it the same way all across the board.
We're also investigating a new feature in iTunes called Apple Course Manager, which provides some LMS features where you can upload not just audio and video files, but other course-based files such as PowerPoint files and Word docs and PDFs and that kind of thing.
My name is Abhishek Hegde, and I represent the organization NJVID, NJ Edge. NJVID is a video repository or other media repository and streaming service that Rutgers is using today. We just released a new feature, which is a captions creator tool. This was released just past Monday, and this tool lets users create their own captions for the media content that they've uploaded. This is something which a lot of instructors today are looking out for because accessibility to media is something which is of critical importance today in instruction, design, and technology. One of the things that NJVID is looking at is becoming a complete repository and streaming solution, not only for videos and audio, which we do today, but also for images and documents. So that is going to be a challenge where you have one solution that does, streaming of your video, audio, as well as your images and your documents. And that I think is going to be pretty stellar in the next few years.
Hi, I'm Laura Transu. I am the coordinator for OIRT Video Productions. I was here at the meet and greet for video services at Rutgers because OIRT Video Productions is one of the many video services available to people at Rutgers. So we were here to just let them know what we do. We're primarily a fee-based service, but we also do a lot of other things like work on the YouTube channel, create content for the YouTube channel and do a lot of other things. This semester, one exciting new thing that we are doing is working on an online course. A lot of people don't realize that online courses can often have a lot of video production that needs to happen, so that's one of the things we do here. So we've been working on a course for SAS called The Edison Effect, about Thomas Edison and the history of innovation. So we actually shot on location throughout the summer, and we're finishing up editing that. So that's pretty exciting. It's only the second online course that we've worked on, and it looks great. Everyone's really happy with the work, so we're really excited for that to launch in the spring. Something that I really took away from the meet and greet this year was, sounds kind of ridiculous, but it's how great it is to have events like this, because everyone was able to exchange ideas with each other, see what different groups are developing, so that things aren't being duplicated, or we can take advantage of working together with someone else who's doing something cool or something that we can't do all on our own. So, it was great to hear about what Classroom Services is doing, because now we can not only tell clients about that, but we can work with Classroom Services, take advantage of some of the things that they're doing in the classrooms when we're doing work in the classrooms as well.